Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use voice message transcripts on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! WhatsApp is rolling out voice message transcript to all users in the coming weeks, the company announced Thursday. The feature which others like Apple's messages and phone apps already over is useful when you receive a voice message but can't play it because you're on the move, in a loud place, or around the people. It's also helpful if you have difficulty hearing crackling audio or have something hearing disability. So how to use this new feature from WhatsApp? So first, you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is on the latest version. You can check on the App Store or the Play Store on your phone. You can check for WhatsApp. If there is an option to update, you can just update your WhatsApp. After that, you can just open your WhatsApp again. You can go to settings by tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Now you can just scroll down. You can tap on chats. And you'll find there is an option voice message transcripts. You can read new voice message. Now you can just tap on that. So here, read your voice messages with transcript. Your personal voice messages remain end-to-end encrypted. No one outside of this chat, not even WhatsApp, can listen to them. You can tap on choose language. You can choose for the language that you want to use, like this one, maybe English. Now you can set up now. We can wait until WhatsApp finish downloading the voice message, the transcript, language. We can wait. After that, we can just try to send voice message to this WhatsApp and transcribe it. Now it finished, and now in here you can see there is an option transcript language. You can change the language. You can choose for the language that you want to use to transcript. For now, there's only 4 languages that you can use for transcript your voice message on WhatsApp. Now let's try to send message to this WhatsApp. We'll try to send voice message from this WhatsApp business. Hi, how are you? Now let's try to open it on the WhatsApp, this one. So here's the WhatsApp. If you can't hear it, you can transcribe it. You can just tap and hold on the voice message, tap on the up right corner, the 3 dots over here, and there is an option transcript. You can just tap on that. It's transcribing, and now you can see in here there is a transcript on this voice message. So now you can hear hear the message without playing the voice message on your WhatsApp. It's so simple, right? So that is how to use voice message transcript on your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.